introduction.
Hi, I'm Nicola Pye, your VP Sport and Healthy Living Officer for this year. This year I'll be working on 4 main projects. Firstly, I'll be working on Campus Sport. Campus Sport is an initiative to get both men and women across campus from halls, schools, societies involved in sport for fun or with friends. Secondly, we have Varsity coming to Bangor next year. I want to make it a real sporting festival for both sport, spectators and societies. As well, I'll be working with the local community in soon to be launching the Penryn Bangor Park Run, getting both students involved in volunteering and running and healthy living. Finally, I will also be working with all of our clubs to help develop and diversify our AU